Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please join with me. I'm going to show you around the effect of the recent Typhoon Ulysses in Metro Manila, particularly in Marikina City. I'm here exactly guys at Marcos Bridge along Marcos Highway. At yung nakikita nyo yung bridge na yan yung daanan ng tren at almost level lang sa kanya yung water. As per pag-asa guys, we're still expecting light to moderate rain as the Typhoon Ulysses is expected to leave the country by tomorrow morning. Kaya guys, pinag-iingat tayong lahat, lalong-lalo na sa mga low-lying areas at malalapit sa mga ilog at dagat. Ayan guys, sobrang dami mga basurang nakalutang. I spoke to someone here guys, and he said the owner of those heavy equipments down there, he wasn't able to take out those things as the water goes up very quickly. This is the water level as of November 12 at 2 p.m. local time. So ayan yung SM Marikina guys, pinasok na sila ng water. Sana nga hindi tataas pa, otherwise papasukin talaga mismo ang ground floor ng SM Marikina. Afar guys is the riverbank center at nakita nyo nga pinasok na sila ng water at nakakalungkot talaga guys at marami pa namang nakatira within that area. Guys, nandito ako ngayon sa Santolan Station, Pasig City. At yun nga, binaha nga rin yung area dito along Marcos Highway at hindi pa rin siya passable hanggang ngayon. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new to my channel. Please keep safe everyone.